Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the missions on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on this missions button down below next to the inventory section. Here you can tap on this checkmark icon in the upper right corner next to the X button. Here you can see your weekly activity on this slide. As you tap on the RP missions section on the right side, you can see all of them. You can check out the classic mode, arena, any mode and other. And here you can also select the team up with returning players section. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.